What's up, YouTube? It's Retrograde Yo, Crypto Yo, bringing it to you here with mid-September, October plus predictions. Alright, let me stop acting up. Anyways, how was September, man? September, I've been spot on with September. Anyways, let's talk about the rest. But after that, let's look at my astronaut I've been working on, drawing. Shiba Inu. Right? Anyways, so here we go. End of September, right? September 20th, 21st, we're going to see a little dip. September 24th, we're going to see a pump, right? Voyager, I told you guys, Voyager. Pump again, right? It's going to be looking nice, pumping. October 7th, we'll see a pump. October 11th to 12th, we'll go sideways, and then we'll dip the 13th. November now. We won't see nothing until November, right? Until after the dip, so it'll probably go sideways and up and down, until November. Beginning of November, that's when we'll start seeing some pumps coming in, beginning of November. November 21st, we'll see a nice big pump coming in. Then the 26th, we'll see a dump. Then sideways until December. December 4th and 5th, just a pump and dump. It'll like go up on the 4th and then come down. And then the 8th will dip. 18th will pump. The 20th on December will dip. December 24th, Christmas Eve, we will pump. Okay. After that, then we got January 2nd, we'll see a pump, right? Then January 29th, huge green candlesticks. I mean huge, just flying, bro, just flying. Excuse my hands for being dirty. I just, working outside and everything. I'm making this for you guys right now, because I'm always busy. I'm always doing something. Anyways, after January, dude, January, just huge green candlesticks. We're flying. We are flying. I mean, flying. Anyways, let's do a recap again. Ready? So this is mid-September, October plus. So my September predictions have been spot on so far, as you guys have seen. So I'm gonna go with September 20th and 21st. We'll dip, right? September 24th will pump. Why? Because again, Voyager bidding an auction. September 26th is when the auction ends, or when they pick the winner. October 6th will dump. We'll dip a little, and then October 7th we'll pump. So it's gonna go in, right? We'll go up, and then we'll dip a little, and then we'll pump again 7th. Then October 11th to 12th we'll go sideways, and then dip the 13th. November we won't see no action until like the beginning of November. Okay, I want to say like the 4th or 5th. But then November 21st, a big pump coming in. November 26th, we're going to see a dump. Then sideways until December, right? December 4th and 5th, we'll see a pump and dump. So it'll go up on the 4th and the 5th come down. 8th will dip. The 18th will dip. December 20th will dip. December 24th, we will pump. Okay? Then January 2nd will pump. And then January 29th, like I said, January 29th is when we just fly. Just huge green candlesticks. We're just going. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good one. It's Crypto Yo with September and October plus predictions. Hope you guys have a good one. If you have any questions, DM me. LinkTree is in my description. You'll see me wherever I'm at, mostly on Twitter and whatnot. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know.